Dear learners, Namaskar. I am happy to extend a warm welcome to you for this online course offered through massive open online courses, that is MOOCs. It's a great pleasure to share a brief outline about the course titled Indian Economy. The course is designed to facilitate the students to have an analytical understanding of the various issues of the Indian economy. It enables the students to understand the structure and development of the economy and critically analyze the approaches, forces, and issues of the Indian economy and appraise the current economic problems in India. The course is very much relevant to undergraduate students who are studying commerce, management, arts, science, and other social science disciplines. The students who are preparing for various competitive examinations can also embrace the course. I once again welcome you all with the anticipation that the course will provide fruitful results and wish you all the very best for the entire cruise of learning of the course Indian Economy through massive open online courses. Thank you.